All right, we're going to switch gears and we're going to go to another big pop artist, Roy Fox Lichtenstein. Born October 27, 1923, was an American pop artist. During the 60s, along with Andy Warhol, Jasper Johns, and James Rosenquist, among others, they became the leading figures in this new art movement. Um, Lichtenstein's work, I think, was often defined as pop art through parody, and some might even say plagiarism, but we'll discuss that. Inspired by comic strips specifically, Lichtenstein produced precise compositions that documented this kind of tongue-in-cheek flavor of what comic strips were. Especially, this is especially like in newspaper kind of comics, which was heavily. You could actually see the grain of the print because it was like cheap printing, newspaper printing. Um, and he was often criticized for kind of replicating a look, and even comics themselves. Um, the two most famous paintings of his are Wham and Drowning Girl, and probably you've probably seen them, and we'll show you. But you probably know these pieces. And do you remember when I said Basquiat was one of the highest paid, or the highest paid American artist painters? One of his highest paid artist painters of all time. I think I was wrong. I think Lichtenstein's piece called Masterpiece, funnily enough, was sold for 165 million in January 2017. Here's a bit overview on Lichtenstein.